Friction hinges have recently gained quite a bit of popularity in the marine industry, and in true Marine Town form, we decided to take a different approach to the industry standard. Our uniquely designed covered friction hinges offer constant torque throughout the entire range of motion, allowing doors and hatches to remain open at any angle. Ideal for lightweight applications such as overhead doors, bait well lids, glove boxes, interior doors, electronics panels, and much more. Covers are easily attached with silicone caulking following installation. All of our friction hinges pass 500-hour salt spray testing, 10,000 cycle tests losing less than 10% torque, and 20,000 cycle tests losing less than 20% torque. Marine Town is proud to offer a complete line of innovative friction hinges to suit a multitude of applications.